for the garbage.
But I didn't see this.
Oh, no.
I didn't see it.
No. It was okay. I'm used to getting the short end of the stick. Can you lift that up again? Yep. Pull that one down. Pull it down.
That's the other side. Oh, she's cold.
Whew.
Yeah. I'll let you put yours in and then sit in the back and I'll put this last one in.
Okay.
It's right behind you. Here. Did we bring any movies? I don't think we did we?
No, but we can plug into our phone and play it that way.
But do you have any movies on your phone?
No, but we've got Disney and...
Oh, I guess.
What was I talking about? I got distracted by...
Put your shorts over there. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair out so I can lean back. Should I get out all 3 pickled eggs?
No point in leaving one behind.
Okay.
Alrighty. Paper towel? I'll do it today.
Oops. Just leave that there.
When you get a chance, turn the water pump on and then off. I just need a little bit, and so
Okay.
that'll give the
Just 1 second.
replenish the pressure. You can smell
I
those
know.
eggs. Probably the best single thing I learned from a ex-girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend? Or ex-girlfriend?
Ex-girlfriend.
All right. Dig in?
Yep. Bon appetit.
Here comes more crumbs.
Delicious.
We can watch some Unsolved.
Yeah.
We're gonna find a little thing to like prop the phone up then.
Mm-hmm.
Can you like stick it between here and here?
No, I tried. I actually did buy little phone holders so we could put them up. But just haven't had time to put them in yet.
What?
Should we put on a Unsolved Mysteries
Right now?
while we munch?
If you want. Might be hard to set up. I don't know where you want to set it up.
Oh, right here.
I'll have to find which episode we're on. I think I just actually finished. Oh no, I'm partway through season 6, the finale. So go to the channel if you can, and then go to playlists, and then go to season 6. You gotta find the one with Robert Stack though. Season 3, season 2. So it'll be way more. Yeah, with Robert Stack, and then
I see.
and then season
Season
6,
six.
and then the final episode.
Tonight, join me for a special 2-hour edition of Unsolved Mysteries. Sauna heard anything to confirm it. She is thoroughly convinced that she was rescued by an angel. Miss Talavera of Riverside, California, reports an even more dramatic experience.
Remember the angel in this one?
He looks so peaceful, so beautiful. He has the most beautiful smile.
Miss Tala
That's what
believes
I'm looking
not
at right
only
now.
that angels
You have my feet under this blanket.
Yeah, this was way too long.
Did you get your feet out of it eventually?
I just
or-
took it off completely and just went to this thing.
Oh. I didn't notice
Reminded
that.
me of being in sleeping in Palm Springs last 2 summers ago.
Oh, whiskey jack on the tripod.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
Just going to pick at the bag.
Yep.
I think the bulk of our compatibility is focused around food.
Sounds pretty bad.
But I'm not going to complain.